Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at one of the most important accessories for any vehicle, a dash cam. Whether you're commuting daily, driving long highway routes, or just want extra peace of mind when your car is parked, a dash cam can be your best witness in case of accidents, insurance claims, or unexpected road situations. The tech has evolved a lot. Better resolution, night vision, GPS data tracking, parking surveillance, and cloud saving are becoming standard. So let's dive into the top 5 best dash cams for 2026, all offering strong value, real-world performance, and features that help keep you protected on the road. Starting with the Galfi 4K dash cam. This one is designed for drivers who want high-resolution recording without spending too much. The 4K video capture means clearer license plates, signs, and details, especially helpful during insurance disputes. The camera also includes a wide-angle lens that covers more of the road, reducing blind spots. It features something many users appreciate: loop recording and G-sensor emergency lock, which ensures important footage is saved automatically during sudden impacts or harsh braking. The installation process is easy, and the user interface is straightforward, which makes it ideal for first-time dash cam users. It also includes decent night vision performance thanks to its HDR imaging system, allowing clear recording even in dimly lit streets and nighttime driving. The Viofo A229 Plus dash cam steps things up with dual-channel recording, so you can capture both the front and rear of your vehicle simultaneously. Viofo is well known for creating cameras with excellent image processing and reliable recording hardware. This model uses a Sony Starvis sensor, which significantly enhances night vision performance. The footage looks clean, balanced, and free of glare, even when headlights or streetlights are involved. It also supports built-in GPS, meaning your recordings include speed and location data, which can be extremely useful during accident verification. The A229 Plus is built for drivers who want better control and more professional-grade video data, making it a favorite among rideshare drivers, delivery drivers, and frequent highway travelers. Next up, the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam offers a 2-camera system to record both front and interior views. This makes it especially useful for Uber, Lyft, taxi, or car rental owners who want both driving footage and in-cabin monitoring. The front camera captures true 4K video, while the interior camera records 1080p with night vision IR lighting. This means the inside camera works well even when driving at night. Rove also includes built-in Wi-Fi and a mobile app, which makes it easy to view, download, and share footage directly from your phone. The parking mode is also well designed, activating automatically if motion or vibration is detected around the car. This camera is a great pick when you need documentation not only outside of the vehicle, but also inside, providing full security coverage. The VMIT Dash Cam is a solid choice for drivers who want strong day and night clarity without complicated menus or extra wiring. It records in high resolution with a wide-angle lens that ensures a broad field of view. The night vision is enhanced with low-light imaging technology that keeps details visible when driving at dusk or in poorly lit conditions. One of the standout qualities of this model is its automatic incident detection. If the camera senses a sudden shock, impact, or abrupt movement, it will immediately protect that recording from being overwritten. This makes it a reliable, hands-off protection tool. It's compact, well-built, and easy to mount, keeping your windshield clear and your driving view unobstructed. The VMIT Dash Cam is great for everyday drivers who want reliable safety recording without diving into advanced configuration. And topping the list, the Rove R2-4K Dash Cam continues to be one of the most popular and highly regarded dash cams available. Known for excellent image clarity, smart features, and strong user support, this model captures true 4K ultra-high-definition video that makes road details noticeably sharper. The lens covers a wide field of view, and the HDR imaging ensures consistent clarity in both bright sunlight and nighttime conditions. The built-in Wi-Fi and companion app make reviewing footage very easy. No need to plug into a computer. It also includes GPS tracking, so your location and speed are automatically logged. The Rove R2-4K is the type of dash cam that works for almost any driver: commuters, road trip travelers, truck drivers, or parents monitoring teen driving habits. Choosing the right dash cam depends on your personal needs. If you want crisp 4K and easy usability, the Galfi is a great fit. If you want professional-grade clarity and dual-channel coverage, Viofo stands out. For rideshare and interior monitoring, the Rove Dual is ideal. If you want simple everyday protection, Vmint is practical and dependable. And if you want the best all-around recording quality and smart features without complexity, the Rove R2-4K remains one of the strongest picks on the market. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment which dash cam you're planning to pick up. And stay safe out there on the road.